The right arm.
The right arm.
The left arm.
The left arm.
The right leg. The right leg. The left leg. Stand upright. Place your right foot on your left thigh, pressing the heel against your lower abdomen. Place your right hand behind your back and grab the big toe of your right foot. Bend from the waist all the way down. Press your left hand against the floor. Keep your left knee stretched. Try to bring your chin closer to your left leg. The gaze should be directed on the big toe of the left foot. This Asana pose purifies the rectum, esophagus, and liver. Stretch your spine and lift your head. Maintain your balance with your gaze directed forward. Rise up, keeping your right foot on your hip. Release your right foot and return to the starting position. Place your left leg in a half lotus position and grab the big toe of your left foot. Fold forward with your right hand next to your right foot. The bent knee should be securely supported when leaning forward. The heel of the left foot presses on the navel and stomach. The Jetharagni, metabolic fire, is ignited in the body. Look towards the big toe of the right foot. Breathing will help maintain balance in the posture. Raise your head up by stretching your back. The chest opens, giving the intercostal muscles more room to expand. Rise up while holding your left foot. Release your left foot.